Coming to the present content of the video, if you once check the information bulletin of the UGC NET June 2020 in the page number 23. So coming to the procedure and criteria for declaration of result. In the step 1, you can see that the number of candidates to be qualified shall be equal to 6% of the candidates appeared in both the papers of NET exam. Okay, so actually it is the step 1 given here. So before the 2016 or 2017, actually the qualifying percentage is a 15%. So after the 2017 onwards, the UGC has decided to reduce the percentage from 15 to 16%, such that the lot of net appearing candidates thought that the UGC has reduced the percentage such that the number of qualifying candidates will also decrease. So based upon this point, in the UGC website itself, so coming to the frequently asked questions of the UGC NET website, they cleared one point here. You can check that. Has UGC reduced the percentage of qualifying candidates from top 15% to 6%? Okay, here the answer to this one is by the UGC, no. That means the the number of qualifying candidates will not reduce. How? Because it is clarified that earlier qualifying criteria for UGC NET involved qualifying top 15% of those candidates in each subject and criteria who obtained the minimum required marks in paper 1, paper 2 and paper 3. This was applicable till UGC NET held on 22nd 1st 2017. That means they are going to take the top 15% from based upon the each and every subject and each and every category, and the candidates who qualified or who got the minimum required marks in paper 1, 2 and 3. So actually minimum required marks are also provided here in the information bulletin. That is 40% for the unreserved category and 35% for the reserved category. But after the 2017 January, that means from UGC NET held on 5th November 2017, it has been decided that 6% of the total candidates who appear in the UGC NET exam will be declared qualified. That means here 6% out of the total number of candidates appeared in the exam. Okay, so but while coming to the previous 15% of candidates out of the candidates who got the minimum qualifying marks. Okay, but after the 2017, the 6% of marks is out of the candidates who just appeared the exam. Okay, so that is the concept. So such that in this effect, the number of qualifying candidates shall not decrease. Okay, so it is the main point the UGC wants to clarify, that this 15% and 6% is that so many net appearing candidates or the UGC NET aspirants thinking that the UGC has reduced the pass percentage from top 15 to top 6%, so the number of qualified candidates will be definitely decrease. But here one clarity is that here the 15% is out of the candidates in each subject and in each category who got the minimum required marks in paper 1, 2 and 3. But while coming to the after 2017, this 6% of marks out of the total number of candidates who appeared the exam. Okay, who appeared the exam. So definitely here the count is very high. Who appeared the exam is very high, and while coming to here, the candidates who got the minimum required marks in paper 1, 2 and 3 is the less. So that's why here 15% out of this less count and here 6% out of this huge count is definitely equal with each other. So definitely the number of qualifying candidates shall not be decreased. Okay, it is a point that UGC wants to clarify in its official website, and it is an update that I want to provide you. The candidates who wants to appear or prepare for UGC NET June 2020 exam for the electronic science subject, the online courses are available or the recorded videos are also available. You may contact or WhatsApp to the number 8184930191. For more updates and for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Thank you.